Right, about a year ago, we came in and we did a deep clean on this carpet. This is in a sports pavilion, and it was really heavily soiled. It had never been professionally cleaned. So we're back again to re-clean this carpet. And before I start cleaning it, I'm just going to take a look at it and inspect it. And as we can see, there are some spillages. We do have a bar there, so there's going to be drink spillages all over the carpet. Here is where where all the chairs and tables are stored. So it's quite soiled around here, because I use this room for functions and things. So around the entrances and exits, like here for instance, the changing rooms are just there. You're going to be getting wet shoes being walked from the change rooms into here. When you mix that with the dry salts in the carpet, this is what happens, okay? So first things first, we're going to give the carpet a really good vacuum. Probably going to do a little bit of spot cleaning, but I reckon that we could probably get away with using our Cimex on this. And for those of you who are not familiar with the Cimex machine, there you go. Okay, so I wanted to just stop for a moment and give you an idea on the comparison between how the carpet looked before and how it's going to look. So we've cleaned this portion here. This area here is still awaiting cleaning, and this area here where there was a lot of soil that had been tracked in probably from the changing rooms. We've extracted to remove all that soil, but I just wanted to show you how well we can clean with this machine here using a really good product in it. 6 litres of product is all it's used to clean this area here. So cost effective and eco-friendly, obviously, because we're not having to use loads of water and electricity as you would with extraction. So that gives you a better idea there. If I stand here, so we've cleaned, obviously you can see here, along there, and then that area there. So quite a big difference. Right, we've done exactly half of this room. Okay, so as I move in a little bit closer, you can clearly see how it's looking that side. Really nice. Look at how it's restored the colour to the carpet. All those stains are gone. Okay, so there you have it. Give it an hour, this carpet will be dry and ready to use. We started this job at 9:30 this morning, and it's now 1 o'clock. So it's still drying out, it's still a little bit damp in places. This area here, I had to do 3 times because I think it was beer or something that was spilt, and it's just the only way to get it out was to flood the carpet and extract it, and just keep flooding it and extracting it. But that's now looking a lot better. And yeah, the rest of it, that rust mark, couldn't get that out unfortunately, but through here, and this was really awful in places. This is a lot better. It's not perfect, but it's better, and it's acceptable, and it's bright, and it's clean, and it smells nice. And in the time it's taken me to do this, I've managed to pretty much restore the appearance of these carpets, and Best bit is, I'd say it's probably 90% dry. So I'm just going to pack away. Whilst packing away, the drying pods there are going to continue to dry the carpet. And the client will turn up in a bit, and he's going to replace all this eventually. We've moved that sofa from the other room. So anyway, it's looking really nice, and I'm sure all the people that use this club will really appreciate clean, fresh smelling carpets. Now, if you have a club, a pub, recreation centre or anything like that, and you're interested in having your carpets cleaned, then why not give us a shout? And you can find us on www.ProSteamUK.com, and we cover the Guildford area. That's parts of Surrey, Hampshire and Berkshire. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions at all, just use the contact form on the website.